Welcome back, people. In this video, we will see an exercise on conditional statements. We will solve a problem. Let's look at the question. The question goes as, let's write a program that decides the grade based on the following conditions. So, if the mark is below 25, then the grade is F. If the mark is between 25 and 45, then E grade. 45 and 50, D grade. 50 to 60, C grade. 60 to 80, it is B grade. 80 to 90, A grade. And 90 to 100 is A plus. Get mark as user input and display the grade as output. So, how do you think you're gonna do this? Try it on your own and pin the program in the comments. Let's look at the solution now. I've typed the solution already to make it easier. So here is the solution. First, we are getting mark as input from the user. Here we convert the string that is the output of input function into a float so that we can check. Okay, we don't have to convert it into float. We can even keep it as an integer. So we convert it into integer and use the if elif statement to check the grade. If the mark is less than 25, print F grade. Else, if the mark is greater than or equal to 25, you have to see that we have used relational operator here, greater than or equal to, which means 25 or more than 25, and mark should be less than 45. So here we used the both the conditions must be true in order for the condition to be true. So if the mark is between 25 and 45, then E grade is printed. Similarly, if it is between 45 and 55, then D grade is printed, and 50 and 60, then C grade is printed, 60 and 80, then B grade is printed. If the mark is between 80 and 90, then A grade is printed, else A plus grade is printed. That is, if the mark is more than 90, then A plus grade is printed. So now let's try running the program. So we have a prompt for entering the mark. Let's say 60 and press enter. We have B grade as answer. Let's run it again, and this time let's say 100 and press enter, and we have A plus grade as the output. So this is how you get the output. Thank you for watching the video. Do try the code and upload your code in the comments.